Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Today we got ourselves a parts washer from the old Harbor Freight. For years I've just scraped and gunked and brake cleaned and wire wheeled everything to get it clean. The amount of money that I've probably spent on gunk and brake cleaner, I could have bought a few of these. So I figured it was time to see if maybe this saves me some time and some money. I got this, and I also got a blast cabinet so I can sandblast some parts instead of, wire wheeling them and grinding them and sanding them once I get them cleaned up and get them ready for paint. So just trying to make life easier, hopefully save some time and some money. So I'm going to put it together in this video. So here we go. Woo! Oh, cramp. Oh. Okay, let's try that again. Got a destruction manual. Looks pretty basic. Some nuts and bolts. I got the pump. I think this is a little parts tray. Got the legs for the stand and the little hose in my bobber. Okay, let's get some tools. Looks like a Phillips and 10 millimeter. Right. The door's a little springy. That'll teach it to try and scratch my stuff. Stupid mic. I need to find a better mic. That is for sure. Ta-da! Okay, she's all put together. I'll have to pick up some fluid. I'll come back and finish off this video once I get some fluid. So thanks for joining us tonight. That wasn't too bad to put together. Hopefully it saves me some time and money. Okay, so that's it. The parts washer is all put together. I cleaned out a spot in the corner to put it. I went to Harbor Freight. I picked up some super heavy-duty degreaser. This is from Harbor Freight. It's what they recommend for this machine. I talked to one of the guys that works up there, an older gentleman. Says he has the same setup, uses this degreaser. Says it works absolutely awesome. So we'll have to test it out and see how it goes. This jug costs $10.99 and can make up to 200 gallons with this jug. So you just use a small portion of this and then fill the rest up with water. I've yet to fire this machine up. We're still kind of riding out winter here. I haven't got the garden hose set up yet. It's still shut off from the winter. So as soon as it gets a little nicer and we get the garden hose fired up, I'll run it out here and I'll get this fired up and we'll throw a greasy part in there and see how it works. But for right now, this is the end of the video. Parts washer put together. It's installed in the corner, plugged in, got the degreaser ready to go. So thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the build video. Till next time, I'm out. Oops.